Oh, I forgot. I've got one more slide in here to show the histology of transitional epithelium. So as you can see on the slide, the shapes aren't very defined, or they look like several different shapes, right? So this is called transitional epithelium because there are many shapes and there's no specialization here. And they're called this because there's this gradual change in the shapes of the apical cells as in the bladder, and a change occurs as the bladder fills with urine. Now, these cells are only found in the bladder, or the urinary system, I should say, more specifically, the ureter and the urinary bladder. So when the bladder is empty, this epithelium is going to look more convoluted and has more of cuboidal apical cell appearance. However, as the bladder fills with urine, this epithelium also stretches, and therefore the cells are going to look from being cuboidal to more squamous because they're sort of stretched out, right? So when the bladder is empty, it's going to look very thick and has this sort of multi-layered look, but then as it gets stretched out, it's going to have more of a less stratified look. And that's why it's called transitional, because the cells look like they're transitioning into different types of cells. And that's why we consider it a hodgepodge or medley of cells in transitional epithelium. And again, it's unique to the bladder and urinary system.